Hi, welcome to 360.tours. Today we're going to be talking about virtual castle tours. I'm going to show you two virtual tours of a castle. So let's get started. The first one, you can get it from our website. You go to 360.tours, you click on demos, and you can scroll down here to the castle tour. You click on the play icon, and this is the first castle. It's in Scotland. And here you can tour the entire castle. What I like about this is in the beginning they put a nice presentation of the castle and they display a nice video. So you can play the video and all of it over here and get a sense of what the castle is really like. Once you're done, you can close it and you can start touring the castle here. So we go into the first tour and we look at the inside of the castle. Beautiful old castle in Scotland, I think in the Highlands of Scotland. There are more videos that they add here if you'd like to watch them. So it gives you a sense of like as if you're inside the castle. Here they've added some polygon markers to show that you can highlight things. What I like about this tour is they've added a map. So we can click on the map over here, and this is the map of the entire castle. So let's say we wanted to start off at the castle entrance. We can go in here, and this is the castle entrance. Now this is a regular picture, it's not a 3D image. So you can't scroll around, but it can give you a nice sense of the castle entrance. And let's go to the east tower, the gatehouse. And this is the view from the top. And you can start walking here to view the castle. So I click to go to the south tower, and I'm walking. We came from here, and now we're on top of the castle and we're touring the whole castle. This is a nice view again, and you have the beach over here. And you can go back down to the courtyard where we were, or we can continue walking around here and go to the west tower. Okay, so this is the inside of the west tower. All right, very nice views, and we can go back to to the courtyard over here, and we're back to where we initially came. This is the West Range kitchen, and as you can see, you can really tour the entire castle, and it gives you a great sense of just what's around. And look at this nice view. Again, this is the map, and from here on you can get a nice perspective of things. The second tour that I want to go to is in Europe as well, and this is a drone image of a nice castle, medieval castle, and you can tour the entire city. Okay, what I like about this is that they added a Matterport tour here. You can click on it, and while it opens, we just come here and we see that they've added markers to symbolize this is the city, this is another area, another building. And you can get a really nice perspective of the entire castle. So let's go to the castle here as the page is loading. And you can see the dollhouse effect here. It's a nice 3D effect. And you can tour the entire castle from here. Okay. Or you can get into the dollhouse effect and choose where you want to go to. So again, this is a Matterport tour that they've embedded into the castle. So let's start from here. This is a nice place to start. Okay, so you can take a look at the entire, there are some nice paintings here you can see. A nice rifle here. So you can really tour the entire area very nicely. So this is like the medieval bedroom. If you like, you can come down here and choose what you want to see. Let's go tour some more items here. There's a chapel here. Let's tour that. So we go to the chapel, and you can see here there's a picture. So you can see the nice chapel here, and the picture of the painting of the baby. And you can really go through the entire castle without any problems, and it just gives you a nice perspective. If you're into touring the castle, then this is a great tour for you. Okay. The final tour that I want to show you is of a chalet. It's not really of a castle. And again, nice tour, nice drone image. You can click on this one and the chalet opens up, and you can again tour the entire chalet. And here you have the Matterport tour. This is again a Matterport tour. The first image that I showed you of this castle is not a Matterport, it's just a regular virtual tour that's done on our platform on 360tours.com. So if you're looking to make virtual tours like this, do sign up to 360 Tours. It's free as a start, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.